The best Canon cameras offer exceptional performance and versatility for photographers of all levels. Getting a Canon is the definition of a safe bet. Its cameras work and focus reliably, capture stunning photos and videos, and come with the support you expect from a household brand. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best Canon cameras you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Canon EOS R7 stands out as an exceptional choice for photography enthusiasts, balancing a robust feature set with an appealing price point. This mirrorless camera boasts a 32.5 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, delivering stunning images rich in detail. Its dual-pixel CMOS AF2 autofocus system features 651 focus points, ensuring quick and precise tracking for fast-moving subjects, making it ideal for sports and wildlife photography. With a continuous shooting speed of up to 15 frames per second, the R7 excels in capturing action. The 2.95-inch articulating touchscreen, combined with a 2.36 million dot electronic viewfinder, enhances user experience, allowing for easy composition from various angles. Photographers will appreciate the in-body image stabilization, offering up to 8 stops of compensation, ensuring sharp images even in challenging conditions. While low-light performance may not rival Canon's full-frame models, the R7 compensates with versatility, including 2 UHS-2 card slots and the capability to shoot 4K video at 60 frames per second without cropping. Its comfortable grip and intuitive controls make it a pleasure to use. Although the selection of native RFS lenses is still developing, the Canon EOS R7 remains a formidable contender in the mirrorless market for hobbyists. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II emerges as a premier mirrorless camera, striking a balance between speed and versatility for intermediate and expert photographers. Building on its predecessor, the R6, it features a full-frame 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor that excels in delivering stunning image quality, coupled with a fast burst shooting speed of up to 40 frames per second in electronic mode, making it ideal for capturing fast-paced action. Its autofocus system, powered by AI, boasts 6,072 AF points, ensuring precise focus even in challenging lighting conditions. The camera's 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen, with a resolution of 1,620,000 dots, offers flexibility for various shooting angles, enhancing creativity. While its in-body image stabilization is slightly less effective than advertised, the overall performance remains impressive, particularly in low-light scenarios. The EOS R6 Mark II can shoot 4K video at 60p, providing filmmakers with high-quality footage, though it does not compete with the R5's 8K capabilities. While the incremental upgrades may not compel current R6 users to switch, the R6 Mark II is a significant step for those entering the Canon RF ecosystem, promising exceptional performance and reliability across various photography and videography needs. The Canon EOS R3 stands out as a premium professional mirrorless camera, expertly crafted for speed and performance. Featuring a full-frame 24.1 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor, it prioritizes rapid shooting capabilities over sheer resolution, making it ideal for sports and wildlife photography. The camera's autofocus system is exceptional, boasting 1,053 points to ensure precise tracking of fast-moving subjects. It can achieve a maximum continuous shooting rate of 12 frames per second with the mechanical shutter and an impressive 30 frames per second with the electronic shutter, allowing photographers to capture fleeting moments with remarkable clarity. The EOS R3 is designed with a robust magnesium alloy body that enhances durability, making it suitable for demanding environments. The 3.2-inch vari-angle touchscreen monitor with 4,300K dots offers versatility in framing shots from various angles. Additionally, it supports 6K video recording at 60p, ensuring high-quality footage for filmmakers. While its price point is high, the EOS R3 delivers unparalleled performance and reliability. For professionals seeking a camera that excels in speed and adaptability, the Canon EOS R3 is an investment that promises exceptional results and satisfaction. Its combination of advanced technology and rugged construction positions it as one of the best options in Canon's lineup. The Canon EOS R5 Mark II emerges as the pinnacle of versatility and capability in photography, establishing itself as the best Canon camera for most users. Equipped with a full-frame stacked CMOS sensor boasting 45 megapixels, this camera elevates image quality and detail to extraordinary levels. Its advanced autofocus system features an impressive 1053 area AF, coupled with eye control technology that intuitively tracks your gaze for precise focusing on subjects. The 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen enhances usability, allowing photographers to shoot from various angles, while the camera's rugged body ensures durability during demanding shoots. Continuous shooting at an astonishing 30 frames per second ensures you capture fast-paced action, making it an ideal choice for sports photography. Additionally, the EOS R5 Mark II supports 8K video recording at 60 frames per second, appealing to both photographers and videographers alike. Newly introduced in-camera image upscaling capabilities enable JPEG and CHIF images to be enhanced to an impressive 180 megapixels, maintaining clarity and detail. With intelligent autofocus modes tailored for sports like soccer and basketball, this camera intelligently prioritizes focus on multiple stored faces. The Canon EOS R1 redefines professional photography and videography with its groundbreaking technology and robust features. At the heart of this powerhouse is a 24.2 megapixel full-frame back-illuminated stacked CMOS sensor, complemented by the world's first cross-type autofocus system integrated directly into the sensor. This innovation enhances focus precision across various shooting conditions. With built-in neural upscaling, the EOS R1 can instantly generate 96 megapixel JPEGs, doubling the resolution of your images in just about 10 seconds. Equipped with the Digic accelerator and Digic X image processor, it excels in eye control and metering, optimizing performance and responsiveness. Capture breathtaking sequences with up to 40 frames per second using the electronic shutter while minimizing rolling shutter artifacts. The camera also supports recording raw video at 6K and MP4 formats in 4K and Full HD, enabling high-quality content creation. Experience the unparalleled clarity of Canon's finest OLED electronic viewfinder with 9.44 million dots and 0.9 times magnification. Additionally, the EOS R1 features a people priority shooting mode, recognizing and prioritizing focus on up to 10 subjects. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.